Hello everyone, my name is Stef. Welcome to this video about technical analysis of Bitcoin and some alts. In this video we will cover what are my thoughts on Bitcoin, what is coming next, and the probability of going to be lower and the probability of going higher. First, like this video and share with your friends, and if you have any comments, please comment below. And let's first say that Bitcoin right now is at crucial pivot point. As you can see, we had a lower low, then a retest and a close above previous resistance, but right now, as you can see with this range, we had a box of sideways action and probably we will have another one. So as you can see, we want some price section where we have a higher low, then a continuation and a higher high. So right now the most logical play is to wait and see a close above 44,500, and when I see that, then the probability of retesting this is higher than continuing on the upside. Then you have a clear invalidation point because this is a higher low and higher high is needed for continuation. That's how I trade based on this market. And as you can see, we had this resistance. So red is a resistance, green is support, and the most important support right now is 36k and 39k. So we want a higher low, then some market structure trend continuation, which for upside is higher high and higher low. So if this is a higher low, this is really nice, but we don't have any evidence right now. And TLDR is wait a close above this high and probably of this high, so some price action like this is needed for continuation. You need to be very careful trading in the range, and opening any position will get you liquidity. And let's go on what I'm bullish midterm. So as you can see, this coin, which is really hated and has questionable fundamentals based on my research. This was a previous zone of resistance. We go above, we then retest and make a lower low, then a higher high. So this is like your zone of interest. This zone is really important for the price. So you're bullish on ADA, you want this price to close above this zone, and your next logical resistance is 1.722. So that's how I see ADA right now. Not very bullish, but really good risk to reward, and as a trader you want some kind of great risk to reward, if you ask me. So this is really nice risk to reward. I'm bullish on Atom. Let's see on the weekly Y. So we close above resistance. So currently this zone is very important, like from 35 to 34, and closing above it this week is very important, and we have a clear long and a clear evidence of where is your invalidation. That's the most important thing about trading right now. You want to be very cautious about trading in this environment because without confirmation you will get liquidated. Another coin which I'm bullish is FTM. So this is very important to this week to close above it. As you can see, we had a close above it, but right now the price probably liquidated some longs, and as long as the price closes above this zone, you can see retesting the 0.5. So we need to close above the green line, and if this doesn't close today, this is becoming resistance, and your next probable zone is probably here, so also confluence with 0.618. So that's where I'm buying FTM, and probably will be making some kind of bearish ABCD, which is like something like this. and continuing high with a clearing validation here or somewhere like here. Yeah. And that's how I see the market. The market is in pretty sideways neutral bearish zone, and in, as you can see on the weekly, we made a lower low based on line chart. Let's go on line chart. We made a lower low, and this is now resistance. So we need to close above this week 43k. So if you go based on weekly, the next probable zone is 39k. So yeah, this is very pivotal based on my understanding of the market. Also, we have a clear bullish divergence on hidden bullish divergence on the stochastic. It's oversold, but we need to cross these lines to crossover and then going above oversold to be this confirmed. We haven't seen any confirmation yet, and that's how I see the market. So based on the yearly chart, as you can see on my previous, this is the first inside bar, and we go to BLX index. I showed you that we have uprise 2 years bear market. So we had 2 years of upside, and this is the most important zone for me. If you're a long-term bull, you want this zone 28k not to be broken. Also this zone 40k, and because if 40k is broken, then the downside of going to, let's see, 28% from that. And that's how I see Bitcoin. Not very bullish or bearish, just sitting on the sidelines waiting for some bullish market structure to be formed. And that's what I wanted to say, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you share it with your friends, and please follow me on TradingView. If you have any questions, you can go and ask them. I'll post more here because it's really nice, like a social trading platform. And if you like to sign up, I'll leave a link below. And see you guys.